Hey class, hi, hello, namaste, adab, sat sri akal, assalamu alaikum, and welcome to all of you. Sat sri akal also. Okay, and welcome to today's session. No, let's not call it a session. It's not a session. It's just a conversation room right now. So where I'll be talking to you about a very important aspect of any person's life. It is very important that you have this quality and what you can learn from it, what can be done, because not only in student life, throughout your life you need this skill. You need the skill about which I'm going to talk today. You already know about it by looking at the title or at the thumbnail, but let's just tell that today I'm going to be talking about willpower. Okay, Hindi mein ichha shakti. So what do you mean by it? What is willpower? What is ichha shakti? Okay, so we are going to discuss it. So first thing, yeah, if I want to talk about that, what is willpower or what is ichha shakti? As the name suggests, ichha shakti. Whatever I want, I can do that. Whatever I want, I can do it. That is called your willpower. How much you are determined to do something that you have decided. That's called willpower. Many people now, it must be very easy for you to say that, sir, I have willpower. If I say something, I'll do it. What is the dialogue, yeah, that एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर लिया उसके बाद में तो अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता. That's all good in movies, but in reality a strong willpower will take you to the heights, but not many people have it. Let me tell you very clearly, not many people have it because they have not trained themselves. They have not trained themselves to have a strong willpower. Now, see, willpower, if I want to tell you what it is a certain level of inner strength. Now, we all think that we have inner strength, but that inner strength is again, I would say, it again is diversified by many small factors which breaks our willpower. Your superstition. You want to do something, some small bad thing will happen. Billy ने रास्ता काट दिया, अरे no, let's not do that thing. Why does it matter to you? Billy तो going from left to right to left, whatever it is. How does it matter? How? Why does it matter to you? You are understanding what I'm trying to tell you all. So that's just a small example. If you are superstitious, that means you are believing on something, a very small thing which doesn't even matter, which is not even related to what you are doing, but still you're believing in it and you are backing off from what you wanted to do. Very small example. You want to go out of the house, you sneezed, you thought, Arey yaar, cheek aa gayi, let's not go out, let's just wait for some time, then I'll go out. Where is your willpower, man? What you're doing? Isn't it wrong? That means in just a second, like this, a small sneeze has told you that wait, don't do that work, come back. Now, that's just a small example. Have you ever thought that these small examples, how they change your personality? There's this a very good quote that if you're born poor, it's not your fault. But if you die poor, then it may be your fault. Okay. It means कि यार, if there's a willpower, you can achieve anything. Many people will think that I don't have many resources, I cannot do this because of this, I'm not good enough with my subject, I'm not good enough to do this, not enough good enough to do that. So there only willpower gone. Any work if you want to do, you calculate it, you think you can do, and if you are not able to do it, which everyone else can do, then it's just a lack of willpower, nothing else. So your willpower, your ichha shakti will give you the power to do whatever you want. Let me give you an example, Naya. Mahatma Gandhi, the father of our nation, he was a man, and I'm telling you, he was a man. He is a man. I'm like the man of his words, the true man, the alpha male. He was that. Why? Have you ever heard before Mahatma Gandhi? Have you ever thought that a whole country will get independence, which is 200 years old. Like we were, the British has occupied India for more than 200 years. And a simple mantra of ahimsa will change the whole scenario. If you were at Mahatma Gandhi's place, you will see the torture, you will see all the torture which the Britishers are doing on India. And will you have that much willpower that without raising a single weapon, without hitting anyone, my country will get independence? Do you have that much willpower? I will tell you personally, I don't have that much. I know it. I am not Mahatma Gandhi. But I learned a lot from that man. I'm telling you, I learned a lot from that man, that without even raising hand on a single person, we kicked Britishers out of our India and we got our independence. So that's a, a very good example of willpower. What willpower can make you achieve. One more example. If you remember, you must have heard the story of Chanakya and Chandragupta, right? So Chanakya, if you know that before Chandragupta Maurya, okay, before this Maurya dynasty, there was the kingdom of Nanda dynasty in Patliputra, which is Patna right now. So the kingdom of Nanda dynasty was there, and the last ruler was Dhananand. Dhananand. So he was very wealthy. That is why Dhananand. Okay, Dhan plus Anand. So he was always into this pleasing himself and having parties, and also he was that kind of man, Dhananand. That is why his name was Dhananand. Dhan plus Anand. Wealth and Moj. Anand means joy. Okay, so he was having this conference of all the religious person and spiritual conference he was having, and he wanted to listen to all the quotes. So there came the Chanakya. Now Chanakya is not a small guy, to tell you first. He was a scholar. He was an acharya, I think, from Takshila University. Takshila is, you can say, towards MIT, Massachusetts, or your Howard's. It's that big. It was that big. In Takshila, there were students. It's not because that it was in India. No, during that time in Takshila, there were students all over the world. All over the world, students used to come there, and he was a professor. He was first student, and then he was acharya, professor in Takshila University. So he was a very what do I say? A very learned man in economics, okay, in politics, and in religion. He was a very learned man. Now he went to that conference, but he was not looking that good. He had some crooked teeth, crooked legs. So Dhananand mocked him on his appearance. That तुम जैसा भिखारी क्या बनेगा, क्या ब्राह्मण हो तुम, भिखारी जैसे दिखते हो, this that. He said all. Okay, that hurt Chandragupta a lot. So Brahman wear this Janayu. He broke the Janayu at that time, and he told that I will come and I am going to dethrone you. Everyone laughed. He told that the soldiers to throw him out of the assembly and all. He told no one is going to touch me. I'll go on my own, but I'll come back with my vengeance. A small Brahman, nothing in his hand, and he's challenging Dhananand, the the king of the largest, I think, Janpad of that time, Patliputra. Patliputra was the one of the biggest Janpad. Magad, Patliputra, they were the very biggest Janpads of that time. And he's challenging that king that I am going to dethrone you. The neighboring kings, they were also not even having that much courage to challenge Dhananand. But Chanakya did it. He found Chandragupta. He trained him. Okay, and he eventually won Patliputra. And he was the chief advisor for Chandragupta as well as his son Bindusar. Think, what is willpower? The greatness comes with willpower. Let me give you one more example, which is very awesome example, which I love it and which all of you will be able to relate, because this is all history I'm talking about. The example which I'm going to give you now is of the present. This was the cartoon published by New York Times. This was the cartoon published by New York Times when India announced its Mars mission. What it was saying that India, which is holding a cow, is knocking outside the door. And what is the door here? Elite Space Club. Elite royalty. We are the Royal Space Club. We are wearing bow tie. We are wearing the blazers, bow tie. An Indian man, okay, with dhoti and kurta, with the pagadi on his head, with cow is knocking on the door. That was mocking like a third world nation. New York Times considered India as a third world nation and they mocked India for it. What happened? India's Mars mission was successful, correct? NASA also greeted India's Mars rover on Twitter, if you know, right? And India, after that, made a record of launching 104 satellites from a single rocket, a deed which was never done earlier. And this was the same headline in your New York Times. So, just because of the willpower of our scientists at ISRO, we were able to get this. So now you can understand how willpower is important. So willpower, now once willpower is there, in simply sit, I will not talk about all these points. A very small word I will say, what are the advantages of willpower. So the very simple advantage, only one advantage will be change everything. That is, first, you can get rid of any bad habit you have. With willpower, you can get rid of any bad habit that you have. You can make any good habit you want, and you can achieve anything in your life. Get rid of the bad habit, can make any good habit you want, and you can achieve anything in your life. That's what the power of willpower. Now, how do you achieve it? First thing is, you have to make yourself disciplined, and you have to tell yourself that losing is never an option. I'm not going to succumb myself because of the pressure. Whatever target you have decided, you have to make sure that you are not only just deciding that power, and you're doing something to achieve that goal. It's not like, sir, I will come first in CBSE grade 10th and done. That is my willpower. I'm just thinking about it again and again and I will do it. No, you have to work towards it as well. Got it? So willpower will be, you will be able to get your willpower. You'll be able to do whatever you want if you are disciplined. Okay, it will increase your intelligence, because when you think with a concentrated mind, you think better. You think better. Okay, your learning will improve, your working will improve, your exercising, you have to exercise as well. So all these good habits you are going to cultivate. Okay, be disciplined, think careful, be careful while thinking, working, exercise, logical reasoning. Always apply logic before you do anything. You're playing PUBG till 3 o'clock in the night. Is it beneficial? How much hours of the gameplay, if at all you need, how much hour of this play is enough? I definitely recommend playing outside 1 hour, 2 hour. That is definitely important. Video game play, chalo. When I was child, I also used to play video games. So 1 hour is good, then more than enough, yeah. But not every day till 3 o'clock PUBG you are playing. That's not the way a person is going to deal with their life, right? I'm not saying PUBG is bad, but it should not be an addiction. Addiction is bad. Addiction of anything is bad. Trust me, you can never have a good addiction. You can never have a good addiction. Never. Even addiction for any good thing also is bad, because you should not be addicted to something. There always should be a scope of logical thinking. Understand? So that is why I always say that you need to increase your willpower. Okay, and to increase it, you need to be more disciplined, you need to think carefully, you need to exercise regularly. So all the ways I'm going to tell you. So till now I have told that what willpower can do. Okay, what are the advantages? You will get rid of any bad habit, you can make any good habit, and the third thing, you can achieve anything which you want. So now, to get your to boost your willpower, first thing, focus on one goal at a time. When you have too many goals at a time, I will be a pro player in PUBG. I will win the basketball tournament. I will be the hockey champion. I will be making century. I will be the captain of the cricket team of my school. I will get first rank in my CBSE boards. I will be whatever goal, six, seven, eight goals at a time. Where your mind will concentrate? Where your mind is going to concentrate? You tell me. Have a major goal at a time. One major goal at a time. One major goal at a time, and decide the time limit also. Got it? Exam times are near. 15 days before the exam, you made a time limit that okay, now onwards, every 3 days I will complete one subject. So that's the timeline. That's the plan over there. So focus on one goal at a time so that you can plan better. So that you can plan better, and if you will be able to plan better, you will be able to perform it better. And if you'll be able to perform it better, you'll be able to do it better. Got it? So focus on one goal at a time. Self acceptance better than guilt. What do I mean by it? Dekho, suppose your result was not good for your examination. Now, some of you will be like, कि अरे यार मेरी तो किस्मत ही खराब है. Okay, this exam and all, I never get good marks, so much how much I study. Now, a person with good willpower, even if this happens, he will be doing the self acceptance. Okay, he'll say, maybe I have not worked hard enough, maybe I lacked something, and that's what I'm going to improve. So that's a winner's attitude. Okay, that's a winner's attitude. That okay, if something has gone wrong, I take the responsibility of it. I accept it. I accept it. Not going to blame anyone for anything wrong which is happening in my life. I am going to accept it and I am going to make it work. So always self-respect, self-acceptance is very important. Accept yourself as whatever you are and accept your mistakes and try to improve it. Got it? Then willpower is contagious. That means be in a circle, make your surrounding in such a way where all the positive people, where there are all the positive people, all the people with good thinking are there, and make yourself positive, make your willpower strong. That will make what whoever is in your circle, they also will feel that yeah, their willpower is also getting stronger. But Mahatma Gandhi's willpower was strong. That is why he was a good leader. That is why he was able to give his willpower to all his followers. Why they had so strong willpower, yeah? On just by Mahatma Gandhi saying that no one is going to raise any weapon, we are going to get the independence. That was the willpower, that was the confidence of that man, that millions of people believed in him. You are understanding what I'm trying to tell you? So, if you want to be a good leader, your willpower has to be strong. And then only your followers will be able to understand it and they'll also have a good willpower. And your project, whatever you're doing, you will succeed in that. Got it? So, strong willpower is a very important habit of a strong leader. That's a very important habit of a strong leader. Then meditation, it really helps you a lot. Start with 5 minutes meditation. Okay, no need to go very hi-fi part. Just sit down, relax, and do not think about anything. Now, it must sound very easy to you, but trust me, it's very difficult at the starting. Close your eyes and don't think about anything. Your mind will tell you 100 things to think about. But tell your mind that no, these 5 minutes are for you to take rest. Don't think about anything. Give your mind some rest. Then see how better it works for the rest of the day. Okay, so 5 to 10 minutes meditation is very important. And then at the end, this is the key to all uh, physical exercises and healthy food. When your brain will work better when your stomach is feeling better and your body is feeling better. Exercise helps you to get positive vibes in you. Okay, trust me, I know. Right now I am working out at home, but I do that, but I was a very I would say a very strong a regular person who goes to gym 5 times a week. I used to go to gym. I used to train each and every muscle. I'm not able to do it now. I'm just doing body weight exercises right now. but I used to train I used to train 5 times a week, each and every muscles, two muscles at a time. And trust me, I used to feel awesome. For 1 week, at the starting 1 week, it pained a lot. Each and every part of my body was paining. But after that, I was missing that. That dumbbell when you curl it, bicep curl, when you curl it, the feeling which you feel in your bicep, that's way beyond anything. So physical exercise means running, run for a kilometer. See you'll be breathing. Okay, feel your breathe, feel your heart who is pounding heavily. So that gives an awesome sense of pleasure. So do that. That will make your mind. That gives your mind a very good state where you think positively. Trust me on this. Include exercise in your daily routine, and you will love it. Okay. And at the end, to end the session, I would like to tell you all that people do not lack strength; they lack will. It's very truly said. There is no one who does not have any talent or something. You have all the talent you want, you have all the skills you want. The only thing which is lacking is your will. So, if you have willpower, you can achieve anything in this world. Okay, so this is all from my side. If you really like this video, please don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to this channel. Okay, so this is all. Thank you so much, beta. I hope all of you have understood something and you will work towards improving your willpower. You will make your mind stronger, your heart better, and you will think positively. Got it? So this is all. I hope all of you enjoyed it. Please think carefully about it and start including it in your life. Got it? So thank you so much, beta. I'll see you soon in next class. Till then, bye bye. Good night. See you soon. Bye bye.